Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to upload designs to your RedBubble shop. So RedBubble is one of many print-on-demand sites where you can sell your art. So here's how RedBubble works. You upload your designs to products in your shop. Customers find and purchase products they love featuring your designs. Products are produced to order and shipped around the world, and customers get an awesome product and you get paid. So RedBubble has a lot of different items that you can add your designs to within your shop. And in this video, I'm going to be focusing on just a couple of those options, and I'll be using a seamless repeating pattern that I created myself. Let's get ready to start selling. So if you don't already have a RedBubble shop, it's very easy to sign up. But if you do have RedBubble, just log into your account. So here are some of the categories of products that you can provide in your shop. In the top right corner of the page, you should see a circle with your face. Click on that and click Add New Work. It says we recommend high-resolution JPEG, PNG, or GIF files with a minimum of 1000 pixels resolution. For more help, check out their design guide. You can also choose to copy an existing work. Copy the same products and design placement from another design. This is particularly great for color variants. So for this video, we're going to do upload new work. I decided to go with this pattern with a transparent background, so that way I can change the background color of the products if I need to. I created this seamless repeating pattern using my iPad Pro in the app Procreate. If you want a tutorial on how I did this, let me know down in the comments. So now we need to just add a title, tags, and a description. For the title, it says use a descriptive title that explains your work in 4 to 8 words. For the tags, write up to 15 tags separated by commas that describe the content of your art, and a description. Share the story or meaning behind your work. So if you need help with figuring out what tags to use for your product, you can click on the link that says learn more about tags, which will take you to the RedBubble blog, and they'll explain tags. So I filled in my title, my tags, and my description. So here are all of the products that RedBubble offers to put your designs onto. So whichever products you want to put your designs on, you have to enable them. Click on the right-hand button that says Disabled to enable that product. When you click on Edit for the standard print clothing, you can choose different styles of clothing you want to put your designs on. And if you don't want to pick that product for your design, click on Enable to disable that product. So for these products, since I'm using a seamless repeating pattern, so I'm only going to focus on a few products where the seamless repeating pattern would work well. So I'm going to enable pillows and totes. I click on the button that says Disabled to enable that product. Once you click on that, you'll see all your settings for your pillows and totes. The pattern that I uploaded is 3000 pixels by 3000 pixels. So you can choose to replace image by clicking this button. You can center your design vertically, center it horizontally, set background, scale your image, and choose your pattern. So for scale image, you can adjust the size by moving the slider bar. And as of right now, this pattern is at 100%. When you click set background, it gives you the option to pick whichever color you choose. There's also a space to write in a specific hex code. When you click on choose pattern, you can choose a regular grid or an offset grid. In this case, regular grid would work for my pattern. When I click offset grid, here's how it looks. It kind of looks cool, but that's not the look I'm going for. Or you can choose to have the file you uploaded as is on the pillow. You don't have to have a pattern for your products. If you choose a pattern, it allows for your seamless repeating pattern to indeed repeat. Once you do that, hit apply changes. So now you can see a preview of the pillows and totes that I've enabled using my design. When you click on the little gear icon, it allows you to pick which products you want your design to go on. You can choose to have it on the throw pillow and the all-over print tote bag. If you uncheck any of these options, these products will not have your design on them. And also under that gear setting, you can decide to change your markup to allow for a higher profit. I'm going to enable duvets, comforters, and shower curtains. Click Edit. If you click on the gear icon, it'll show you can have your design on a comforter, shower curtain, or duvet cover. I unchecked shower curtain at first, but after I saw how the pattern looked in the preview picture, I decided to go in and check that option to allow my design to be on the shower curtains as well. In this tutorial, I'm keeping the markup as it is, but you can definitely decide to increase or decrease depending on how much you want to sell your products for. So first, I'm actually going to set my background color for this product. I'm going to head to Choose Pattern and click Regular Grid. Once I did that, I hit Apply Changes. The products that you decide to have in your RedBubble shop, they don't have to have a seamless repeating pattern. You can take a single image and just have it centered on that product. I'm going to enable desk mats. Hit Edit. So I'm going to set my background first. If you want to purchase these products that I set up in my RedBubble shop, I will leave a link to my RedBubble shop in the description below. So I'm also going to enable mouse pads. And again, I'm going to set my background color. I'm going to use the same yellow color that I use for the desk mat. Once you put in all your settings, hit Apply Changes. Once you enable all of your products featuring your design, scroll to the bottom. So here you can choose what media category your design would fall into. In this case, since I did create the design on my iPad Pro, I'm going to choose digital art. So if you were to choose a default product in your shop, all of your designs would showcase whatever default product you pick. So for example, if you only want all mugs to show on your shop, that's what'll show up. And if that's all you offer your design on, then I think that would be a reason to pick a specific product. But otherwise, if you're offering your design on various different products, I would suggest leaving it at optimized. So optimized means RedBubble will show a mix of products based on sales and the individual customer's interests. Who can view this work? You definitely want to keep it on anybody, public, if you want to make sales. If you pick only you, the items will be private and no one can purchase them. Is this mature content? You want to choose whether or not your design is considered mature content. Then you have to agree to RedBubble's user agreement and confirm that you have the right to sell products containing this artwork. Once you agree, hit Save Work. And it just takes a moment to process. Now that the processing is complete, my design has been published, and it might take up to 15 minutes to appear. So here on this page, it shows you the products that you have enabled your design on. So there's the mouse pad, the desk mat, the clock, the comforter, the duvet cover, the shower curtain, the throw pillow, and the all-over print tote bag. If you click on the three dots here, you can download images, copy link, or view the product page. So for the comforter, we're going to view the product page. This is how your product will look to customers that are looking to buy. So once your customer gets to your product, they can look through the pictures, they can choose which size they're looking for, and then add it to cart. So when you scroll down on the page, they can also find product features, and they can also find a description of your design, as well as other products that this design is featured on. You can also see more things from the artist. So the prices are going to vary from shop to shop. Even though they may be offering the same products, in this case a comforter, somebody else's prices may be a little bit different from mine based on the markup percentage that they decided to enable. So if you click on the three dots again and hit download images, it shows you all of the product images that'll be on the product page. You can download these product photos to share with your customers. So now we're going to see the product page for the desk mat. So here's my Redbubble shop with all of the items that I currently offer. And again, I'll link my Redbubble shop in the description below if you want to check that out. And also, if you want a video on how I created the seamless repeating pattern featured in this video, I used Procreate on my iPad. If you want a video about that, let me know and I can make one. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.